Cerulean have developed a unique system for measuring the moisture content of pouches based on resistivity and capacitance. The Orion test station is designed for testing up to 48 traditional snus, white tobacco, and nicotine pouches. The instrument can measure pouches in seconds, whereas traditional oven systems can take up to 15 minutes. The powerful vision system takes images of both sides of every pouch and uses them to calculate the pouch's dimensions. The new design saves operator time and improves quality through independent, fast, consistent and repeatable testing of pouches. The instrument is equipped with an intuitive user interface that provides a real-time visualization of test results and configurable reports. The Orion can handle oral pouches of all commercially available size formats including mini, large, maxi and slim.